What can I do to make this world a better place? Even though I'm small, I can make a big impact on this world. I'm starting by helping homeless people. I decided to interview someone on the streets to better understand their life. Meet Jamal. He's been living on the street for 1 year. Listen to him tell his story. How did you come to St. Louis?
Well, when I was in high school, I was a pretty good baseball player, and I had a lot of decisions of universities that were recruiting me to come to their college. And Mizzou seemed like when I visited, I liked Columbia, I liked the people in Missouri. So I made a decision to come to Mizzou, which is in Columbia, Missouri, not far from here, to play baseball. I played there for 2 years, and on my third year, I broke my thumb. And instead of sitting out a year, which is called a red shirt, I went ahead and hurried up to get back into school and start playing, and I just kept re-aggravating it. So that was how I ended up in Missouri.
What's one of the things that you wish other people knew about who live on the streets?
For the majority of the people that are on the streets have bad luck, and they're not alcoholics, and of course, a lot of them are drug addicts. And I just wish that stigma wouldn't be attached to everybody who's homeless.
Is there anyone else you'd like to say?
That anybody who feels that they can't be in the same position that I'm in, I hope they're never in the same position that I'm in, but it's not as hard as people think. I never in a million years thought I'd be homeless living on the streets, but it can happen to anybody, and unfortunately, I was one of those people that it happened.
Thank you for talking to me.
Oh, it's no problem. Thank you all.
Have a nice day.
You do the same.
I learned a lot from Jamal. He is a kind person, and I hope his luck turns around soon.
What else did you want to say?
And also, it feels really good whenever you do something nice for someone. And what if someone did that for you? I bet you'd feel really happy and glad that someone thought of you.
After meeting with Jamal, my friend Vivi and I got to work to make a plan for helping people on the street. We came up with the idea of making kindness kits. We even met with our principal, Dr. Otto, to help this plan come alive. This idea is that each grade will be in charge of an item like hand warmers or toothbrushes. We will collect items for 2 weeks and then assemble the kits. We would also love for every student to write a kind note to put in a bag. Once the bags are finished, we hope each Riverbend family takes a bag or two to keep in your car for the next time you see someone living on the street. Thank you for helping make this world a better place.